Now, just a final remarks, our distinguished speakers. Would you like to have some parting comments to our audience today? So let's start with you, April. Oh, not yet.
Si Juanes to eh.
Oh, sorry, si Juanes pala. Sir, any...
Okay, so I think what we're talking about in summary is that we do anticipate that the market rally was really supposed to come. I do hope that we can reach over, to the next levels of resistance, and I'm anticipating that between the 7,670, and we're there right now, maybe all the way up. I hope it can even go to 7,9. But after that, I'm anticipating you're going to get into a resistance sell-off, and as I anticipate, you'll get a downward movement in prices. Some will retest the lows, some will consolidate. Don't let that take you to dismay, because that's a normal process as prices try to be able to bottom out. Be watchful of the August effect, as we pointed out earlier on, and maybe after that, or maybe worst comes to worst, maybe at about November, where the second correction normally takes place, you might have the opportunity to have a year-end hurrah, at least trying to lift prices off the base that you have come from. But like again, as we'd like to remain excited about the market, it takes time to regenerate the catalyst for growth, and because of that, we will go through a consolidation phase. So buy it on the way down, closer to support, and don't be too eager to jump too much when prices are just jumping up like this, because it's not a runaway market that we're going to get involved with.
April?
Yeah, I guess, one of the most important key takeaways of today is, I think both Juanes and I agree is, we've seen the bottom. But I guess the question right now, the more important question is, are we going to be seeing a V-shaped rally, or are we going to see an L-shaped rally? I think it's more of an L-shaped rally, but that said, since we've already seen the bottom, valuation trumps everything, and you should take this opportunity to accumulate stocks. Eventually, it will recover.
All right, so thank you very much. Again, for those of you who weren't able to catch this outlook, we will have a rerun on August 1 at around 4 p.m. You can use the Slido app to again participate, as the moderators will be there to answer your questions. But before we move on, before we end this program, I'd like to talk more about our groups that we have in Facebook. So as our chairman has most often said in his talks, that we all have our own different ways of viewing things. And fortunately, we all have a blind side. And one way to cure that blind side is to join a group of like-minded individuals and help in order to help you, make your investing decisions. So for our traders, we have COL Trading to Alpha. Get real-life updates, daily updates from our chief technical analyst, as well as from our partners in CALOM, who gives their updates twice a week. We also have a huge library of lessons. If you want to learn how to trade, learn how to do it better, we have an online version of the technical analysis seminar, as well as some seminars on position trading and momentum trading. You can also ask questions, try to interact with our experts, and they will answer you as soon as possible. Unfortunately, you can't chat with our avatar, si Jane. So kung hindi kayo friend, hindi kayo pwede mag-chat, but she'll try to answer you when you ask her any questions. So to join, you can just search COL Trading to Alpha in Facebook and click join, and we will approve your application if you are a premium client. Another group that we like to talk to you guys about is our COL Wealth Builders. So this, you can get the daily market updates as well as company news. So you are always on the edge of things. Get information on mutual funds, cost averaging, and long-term investing. Kung hindi kayo masyadong trader, here's the site for you. It also shows yung April's calling the shots are also here. So kung gusto nyo it turns up in your notification, then you can also join this group. To join, click COL Premium Wealth Builders, search it in Facebook, and click to join. All right, so sana we can find you there. All right, that's all the time we have for now. Again, thank you very much for joining us this morning, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.